What if I told you that there's one soup, yes, just one, that Moroccans turn to during cold nights, fasting days, and even when the soul just needs healing? A soup so nourishing, it's been passed down through generations. Warm, comforting, full of flavor and healing spices. This is Harira, and whether you're craving comfort food, boosting immunity, or just looking for something hearty and delicious, you've just found your new favorite recipe. Stay with me, because we're making the real deal, with all the traditional touches, plus options if you're vegan or meat-loving. Harira is Morocco's most iconic soup, especially during Ramadan. But what many don't know is that this isn't just a religious dish. It's a hug in a bowl, a symbol of hospitality, a medicinal remedy, a secret weapon for gut health. Loaded with lentils, chickpeas, fresh herbs, and spices like turmeric and cinnamon, this soup is designed to reset your body and spirit. So let's dive into what you'll need. And I'll give you tips to make it even richer, lighter, and more gut-friendly. Ingredients you'll need: 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 onion finely chopped, 2 stalks celery diced, 2 large tomatoes blended or finely chopped, 2 tablespoons tomato paste, 1/4 cup fresh parsley chopped, 1/4 cup fresh cilantro chopped, half a teaspoon ground turmeric, anti-inflammatory and detoxifying, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, boosts blood flow and warms digestion, 1 teaspoon ground ginger, immune boosting, half a teaspoon black pepper, salt to taste, half a cup dried lentils, green or brown, high in protein and fiber, half a cup cooked chickpeas, rich in folate and iron, 100 grams diced lamb or beef, optional for richness, 4 cups chicken or veggie broth, 1/4 cup flour mixed with half a cup water to create a slurry, juice of half a lemon, adds brightness and helps with iron absorption. I love that every single ingredient here serves a purpose, not just for taste, but for healing. And the best part? You can easily make this 100% vegan without sacrificing flavor. Let's cook this soul-warming soup together. First, sauté your aromatics. In a large pot, heat your olive oil. Add chopped onions and celery and sauté until soft and translucent, about 5 minutes. If you're using lamb or beef, add it in now and let it brown for 3 to 5 minutes. This adds incredible depth to the base. Next, stir in the blended tomatoes, tomato paste, parsley, cilantro, turmeric, cinnamon, ginger, black pepper, and salt. Let everything simmer together for about 10 minutes. Your kitchen should already smell like Morocco by now. Now toss in your rinsed lentils and chickpeas. Pour in the broth, stir well and bring it all to a gentle boil. Lower the heat and cover. Let it simmer for 30 to 40 minutes. This is where the magic happens. Everything softens, infuses, and melds into that signature creamy spice texture. Now, create a slurry with flour and water. Stir it into the pot slowly and watch the soup gently thicken. Simmer another 10 minutes. To finish it off, add your lemon juice, taste for salt, and sprinkle in more fresh herbs if you like. That's it. You've just made one of the world's most comforting soups, Moroccan Harira. In Morocco, Harira is often served with lemon wedges, dates, or sweet chibakia pastries during Ramadan. But you don't need a special occasion to enjoy this. Make a big pot for the week, freeze some, share it with a neighbor. If you're feeling run down, this soup will ground you. If you're fasting, it'll gently break your fast without upsetting your system. And if you're just looking for real honest food, you found it. Did this recipe warm your soul already? If you loved this, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss food that feeds your body and soul. Comment below, Harira in my bowl, if you're going to try this, or tell me how your family makes it. I'd love to feature your version in a future video. For full recipe and written instructions, check the description box below. Until next time, stay nourished, stay connected.